What's up, guys? So you might remember the day that John came in with the most American looking shirt I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna insert a clip right here.
You gotta see it. Don't be shy. Oh, don't be shy. Ready to make some parts today.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's
Made
going.
in America.
Yep. Oh, it is. Yeah, that shirt. That thing was straight epic. So that was my inspiration for the graphics for this bike. Now, what I mean by inspiration, let's just take a look at that graphics kit right there. It's gonna look sick. So let's get it on the bike. This thing is coming together. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, this thing has come right together. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Everything from the graphics that we printed in-house. Now I did spend 2 to 3 hours just designing these graphics. It does take a little bit of time if you want to make them come out the way they do. But anyway, guys, we printed all this stuff in-house. Everything was powder coated in-house. Of course, this is our big wheel kit from billet triple clamps, billet hubs. Got our complete conversion swing arm with the whole billet rear hub assembly. Got the Kaiser wheels on there. Got the 25-inch ATV style tires on here. This thing is ready to go rip up the desert for sure. We are going to be doing some riding content coming up here shortly. Yeah, guys, comment, let me know what you think of this bike. It's all about, like I said, we're trying to promote America's #1. I mean, we are all about made in USA. We're a small company. We've been in business for about 15 years. I love the country we live in, guys. And I guess it's about time I made a bike like this. that's it, guys. 9 o'clock on Saturday. I am more than ready to get home and get out of here. Super pumped how this thing turned out. So guys, I just wanted to show you, I know some of you guys were laughing, oh, he's building an 04, or he's possibly giving it away at 2004. This is what you can do with a 2004 when you get creative. I still think they're awesome bikes. They're out there for anywhere from $2 to $3 grand. This one was in mint shape when we got it in terms of the age of it. Thing had low use. I mean, it needed tires, needed all the stuff that we're not using anyway. So if you guys like what we're doing, give it a thumbs up. The likes and the shares, man, they are getting our videos out there, and we appreciate it so much, guys. This channel has just been blowing up lately. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, it's time to head out of here. So again, if you're interested in purchasing a big wheel kit for your modern dirt bike, check out bvcoffroad.com. You can also go to bvcbigwheels.com. And if you guys like trikes, definitely check out bvctrikes.com. We have some crazy builds coming up. So stay tuned on the channel. Many more cool builds coming. More CR500 content is coming. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Have a good night.